Launching a dispatcher business can be a lucrative venture in today's fast-paced world where efficient communication is crucial for various industries. Dispatchers play a vital role in coordinating and managing logistics, ensuring timely deliveries, and optimizing operations. To start a dispatcher business, careful planning, industry knowledge, and effective strategies are essential. This video provides a practical and detailed guide on how to initiate and establish a successful dispatcher business. Step 1. Market research and industry understanding. Begin by conducting thorough market research to understand the demand for dispatcher services in your target industry or region. Identify potential competitors, analyze their strengths and weaknesses, and pinpoint areas where you can offer a unique value proposition. Familiarize yourself with the specific needs of businesses that rely on dispatch services, such as logistics companies, transportation services, or emergency services. This understanding will be the foundation for tailoring your services to meet the demands of your target market. Step 2. Legal and regulatory compliance. Before launching your dispatcher business, ensure that you comply with all legal and regulatory requirements. This may involve registering your business, obtaining the necessary licenses, and adhering to industry-specific regulations. In the transportation and logistics sector, for instance, compliance with safety and environmental standards is crucial. Establish clear contractual agreements with clients to define the scope of your services, responsibilities, and any liabilities. Consulting with legal professionals who specialize in business law can help you navigate the complex regulatory landscape and protect your business. Step 3. Invest in technology and infrastructure. Investing in the right technology and infrastructure is fundamental to the success of a dispatcher business. Utilize dispatch software and communication tools that streamline operations, track vehicles or assets in real time, and provide efficient reporting. Ensure that your team is well trained in using these tools to maximize their effectiveness. Additionally, establish a reliable communication infrastructure, which may include radio systems, mobile devices, and backup solutions to maintain connectivity even in challenging situations. A robust technology foundation will enhance your ability to provide prompt and accurate dispatch services. Step 4. Build a skilled and responsive team. Your team is the backbone of your dispatcher business. Recruit individuals with strong organizational and communication skills, as well as the ability to handle high-pressure situations. Provide comprehensive training to ensure they are proficient in using dispatch software, understanding industry protocols, and effectively managing logistics. Foster a culture of teamwork, adaptability, and responsiveness to address the dynamic nature of dispatch operations. Regularly assess and update your team's skills to keep them abreast of industry advancements and changes in regulations. Step 5. Marketing and networking. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to promote your dispatcher business. Create a professional website, utilize social media platforms, and establish a presence on industry-specific forums. Networking is crucial in the dispatcher business, so attend relevant conferences, join industry associations, and collaborate with other businesses in your sector. Building strong relationships with potential clients and partners will not only help you secure contracts but also provide valuable insights into industry trends and customer needs. Leverage positive client experiences to build a reputation for reliability and efficiency, which can become a powerful marketing tool. Starting a dispatcher business requires a strategic approach that combines industry knowledge, legal compliance, technology investment, skilled personnel, and effective marketing. By carefully planning and executing each step, you can position your dispatcher business for success in a competitive and dynamic market. As the demand for efficient logistics and communication continues to grow, a well-established dispatcher business can become an indispensable partner for businesses across various sectors.